First, open the folder where your game is downloaded. Now over there, you will see a Windows batch file by the name Verify bin files before installation. Open it before going ahead with the installation. It will check for all bin files needed to install the game. If you see any missing bin file, you might have to download that bin file again. If nothing is missing and check is completed, it will state all files OK. Now you can close this and begin setup process. For that, just click on setup. First, it will ask you for setup language. Select yours. I will go ahead with the English. So we'll click on OK. Now it gives you an option to limit the installer to only use 2 GB of RAM. It is recommended for PC with 8 GB or less RAM. But I will not check that as I have enough RAM. Now click on next. Now it's giving me information about the game. Then click on next. It will give you options where you want to install the game. And also 2 check boxes. One is for if you don't want to create a start menu folder, and other one for creating a desktop icon. I'll leave them as it is. You can uncheck any one if you like. The next, it will ask for game language. I will go ahead with the English, and on the bottom update DirectX and to install necessary Visual C++. Click next. It will start downloading the needed files. But as you can see, many of you are facing this problem while installing. To resolve this, just go to settings and then privacy and security, then on Windows security, and lastly on virus and threat protection, and in manage settings disable real-time protection and also cloud delivered protection, and then click on retry, or you can disable them beforehand. I just wanted to show the problem. Now it will download and start unpacking. I will skip the whole unpacking. It will take some time. When the unpacking is done, it will give you some option. Just uncheck the last 2. One will take you to the website again, and one will open the game. Then click on finish. Now it will check all the necessary files, and if it is fine, it will state all files OK, just like before. When exit, it then will install DirectX. Check on the I accept the agreement and click next. When done, click on finish. Next, Microsoft Visual C++ setup will come. Check the box for accepting license and install. Do the same for next Visual C++. Now when it's done, click on finish. You are done now. Enjoy your game.